Hi guys, today I wanted to show you the connections on the Flight Stand 150. So I'll start with the motor. First of all, you can see the motor is connected through 3 wires and bullet connectors to the ESC. This here is a XOR P200. Then on the ESC input side, we have the 2 DC input wires that are connected to our large cables here. One of those 2 cables is going to the Hall effect sensor on the Flight Stand 150 electrical measurement unit. Then on that unit you can also measure that there's 2 smaller wires. The 2 smaller wires are 2 leads that are connected to the input side of the ESC. This is so that there's no measurement of the voltage drop due to the wire resistance. Then if I go back to the electrical measurement unit, you can see that we have a cable here that's shielded. It's connected to the sync hub here. The sync hub then is also connected to the force measurement unit. Finally, I'm going to discuss the wiring on the flight stand itself for the first measurement unit. First, you can see here, this is the 3-pin connector that is controlling your ESC. And finally, we have an optical RPM sensor that's connected here. Also here, we don't have them connected, but you could have temperature sensors that are connected here, or that are also connected on the electrical measurement unit.